the stock market has produced generous returns over time. One of the benefits in trading in the stock market is the incredible possibilities of higher returns for your money. But it's also true that the high volatility in the markets has caused traders to make severe losses. Lack of adequate knowledge and rush to be an overnight millionaire make matters worse. And that's where we come in. We at MTS have designed a masterclass on technical analysis. Whether you are a student, a teacher, a professional, entrepreneur, homemaker, or just a curious learner, this course is for you. If you all are thinking that candlesticks and charts are just random shapes, then think again. These are the most important tools of technical analysis. Studying chart and candlestick patterns help you understand human behavior and emotions, which majorly drives the stock market. Charts can be reversal and continuation, whereas candlestick patterns can be single, double, or triple. If you can master the art of analyzing and understanding market trends, then half your battle is won. The Dow theory helps us understand these trends. Support and resistance are two respective levels on a chart that limit the price movement of a stock. In this masterclass, you will learn to ace these concepts, right from the construction to validation. Our courses are designed to take you through these concepts of technical analysis in a very systematic and an effective way. We are driven by a set structure and a rule-based format that empowers you to make trading decisions in the right way. You will also be able to gauge the turning points of any trend. Downward falling prices turn back up from supports, and upward rising prices fall back down from resistance levels. This masterclass touches upon trend lines, trend channels, and Fibonacci studies. Learning these are important to learn how to plan our trades the price action way. That's not all. Volatility and momentum are two fundamentally different things, and how to use them for effective trading decisions is something we ensure you will learn in our masterclass. You will also learn the use of volatility bands like the Bollinger Band, and indicators like moving averages, and momentum oscillators like the RSI, MACD, ADX, and Stochastics. We all have limited capital, so use of it has to be optimum. For this, selection of the right stock is the key. So you need to learn the top-down approach to make the right stock selection, and our masterclass will enable you to master this skill. We are excited to introduce a meticulously curated and detailed course using state-of-the-art technology that offers an in-depth understanding of technical analysis. Our course includes actual case studies and examples which will help you understand and implement these techniques very effectively. We also provide you with your own dedicated student portal where you will have access to not only the course content but also ebooks for every topic, along with few other tools which will be great reference material to improve your understanding. We believe that a thorough understanding of the course is very critical for your success. That is why we have included quizzes after every topic to evaluate your understanding and to ensure that you're on the right track. We also offer query solving to ensure that all your doubts and questions are resolved promptly. Our expert team is always ready to assist you and provide you the necessary guidance throughout the course. So, trading is a mix of psychology, risk and money management, and the right technical skills. And that's why we at MTS will empower you with the in-depth understanding of risk and money management skills and the right psychology to be a successful trader. And last but not the least, after learning all the above concepts, we will conduct 3 lessons where we will learn how to apply all the concepts taught. These will be taught based on the types of a trader you are: an intraday trader, swing trader, or a positional trader. After all, we teach a very practical approach towards trading through real-life case studies.